Look at that. Damn. Some nice Mustang. 73 Roadrunner. This is clean. Is that blue a factory color? 1996 Impala SS.
I thought it was good. I just had to run the girls.
Man, but look at the screen in my hand. Look how gangster that looks.
I know.
Oh, it's Pro Charge, Matt. And that's an LT1 too. Damn. Wow. He actually did it to the LT1. And look what else he did. He put the LS coil packs on.
I see that.
Because the normal LT1 doesn't come with the coil packs on top
And
of
he's
the
got
valve
roller
cover.
rockers also. He's probably got cam and shit and stuff. Why's that battery not hooked up? Doing your clothes.
Pro Charger. Got the LS coils. Chromes.
That SS1.
I love that smell. Oh, that smell of the fuel fumes. That's awesome. Yeah, we're standing here for a minute. That's what they do when they leave.
I wonder how badass this thing is.
This is beautiful.
I wonder how badass it is. I wonder what it runs.
This?
Yeah.
Stock, they run 11.
Z06 with a supercharger and nitrous.
10s. Anne Marie's Pizza and Wine Company, Margate, Florida. Man, I like this Plymouth. The wing is ridiculous though.
Sit in front of Richard Petty, you get smacked in the mouth.
That's a nice shot right there. Yeah,
Boxer cage.
I like that green.
Battery relocate.
What's this place called again? Anne Marie's? Oh man, that's clean. I gotta put my flashlight back on. For this one, the light's going back on. Hold on. See what I do? That's cool. That is. You can eat off of that engine. I would sit a sandwich on that. I would. I would sit a sandwich on that engine. That's how clean it is, y'all. Check that out. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Here we got a 64 Impala SS. What is it? Let me shut this light off now. I'll just keep it on. What the fuck is that? Fuck Biden. I'll tell you right now. No, ain't no. That's not an LS.
Dude, this thing's got a fucking scoop.
Hold on. What the? Oh yeah, it is. It's an LS.
There's your boy left.
Ferrari owners. No, but this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they didn't come. It didn't come with a supercharger. The new ones do. The new Z06 is a
In 2 weeks,
supercharger.
it's Scott the Music Man on the two turntables for you as the party continues. This Saturday, Bangin' Banjo Brewing Company with the Music Man as well. CruisingSouthFlorida.com has all the car show information. Any sign of a gift card, Aubrey, coming our way? Not at all. Listen, there's one thing that Scott can do when he's here. He needs to
Anne Marie's Pizza and Wine Company.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner, and then we'll go fish a gift card.
Margate, Florida.
Can we do that? All right, consensus from the restaurant inside tonight. The $25 gift card winner belongs to George with the Fox Body Mustang tonight.
Yeah, that clean ass Mustang.
Where's George? George is the winner
I
tonight.
should go interview George and ask him how he
The
feels.
white Fox Body Mustang is the winner tonight. Where is
Why
George?
not?
There's George right there. He's the winner. That's a cool. When my Mustang grows up, it's going to be just like his, right there. No chance. Yeah, that is an awesome ride. Awesome. Now all I got to do is get him the gift card. Yeah, we got half the job done.
I want to see the
Please, please. You're welcome. Congratulations. This is pretty good. Go ahead. Why?
Since I won, can I pick
Black
the song?
lipstick.
No. But what would you want to hear?
Oh, I don't know. Since we're playing metal, since we're at the end of the show, let's play something by Black Sabbath.
Just play Black Sabbath.
Let's play another.
Let's play another. I promise I'll get a Black
The
Sabbath
57
tune on
is.
before we go.
I hear cars
All
starting.
right. Good. Good. I'll do that.
They're all
I
like
promise.
fucking George.
Fuck George and his fucking.
I think they would. No. You really don't say that. Don't say that. All right. Let's go. Larry and Lord, there they are. These guys here. Now, if anybody would like to smoke
Anne Marie's Pizza and Wine Company, Margate, Florida. Car show every first and third Sunday.
Get off, you don't want them.
I like that. Who's your daddy?
The little headlight covers. That's cool.
See the intakes?
Oh, yeah. 180 miles.
Good clean. I don't know what I would take out of here.
Do what?
There'd have to be different categories. Like if you pick a car, you can't just pick a car because there's too many.
The best in class.
Because like how? I mean the Mustang.
That
The Mustang was the
EV
cleanest.
said was- had the cleanest.
I would have. Yeah, I would have. But is that how you win? The cleanest car?
like if this guy won 2 months ago, I don't think he's gonna win again.
Yeah. You'd probably win.
Let's stand in the background and we'll put cones on our heads. Oh god.
Should we show who won?
You already know.
No, I mean the subscribers. No, they heard the guy say it. I love that lightsaber. That's a lot of people. Let me get them too. Matt, I like this. What? This is an Impala, right? Yeah. I like this year. I'm not that big on the color, but I like the year. I gotta get that. Matt, this purple though. Look at this Camaro SS. This thing is gorgeous. I love that purple. A Fox body would look good in that purple, I think. What's going on, everybody? This is Johnny G from Johnny G TV. Just wanted to reach out and say hi to all my subscribers out there. I have 48 right now, which might not sound like a lot. I've only been doing this for about 2 months, and I'm actually happy with that number. My goal was to get it to 50 subscribers by the end of January. I'm actually at 48 right now, and we're only on January, 17th? So, you know, shout out to everybody out there who subscribed, who liked, who shared. Thank you so much. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you see it first. Johnny G TV, let's do it.